Hey guys, yes, LegalZoom offers an online divorce service tailored for uncontested divorces. This service is designed to help couples who have mutually agreed on all major issues, such as asset division, child custody, and support, navigate the divorce process efficiently and affordably. Now, I'm going to tell you how LegalZoom's online divorce service works. So, it's ideal for uncontested divorces where both parties are in agreement. LegalZoom assists in preparing the necessary documents based on the information you provide. LegalZoom prepares the required divorce forms specific to your state and country. These documents are tailored to meet local legal requirements. Also, while LegalZoom prepares the documents, you are responsible for filing them with the appropriate court. Also, filing fee are not included in the service cost and may vary by jurisdiction. LegalZoom offers access to independent attorneys for additional guidance, though this may incur extra fee. Now, cost breakdown, it's approximately $200 for document preparation and filing fee that is not included, and these are paid directly to the court and can range from $100 to $400 depending on your location. Also, attorney consultation is available for an additional fee if you require legal advice. Now I'm going to talk about some considerations. Only you are responsible for submitting the completed documents to the court. The service is not suitable for divorce involving disputes over assets, custody, or support. Also, divorce law vary by state. Ensure that you understand your local requirements before proceeding. Now, some pros include cost effectiveness, convenient, and guidance availability. Some cons include limited scope, additional costs, and self-responsibility. So LegalZoom's online divorce service is a practical option for couples seeking an uncontested divorce. It offers a streamlined process with professional document preparation, making it a cost-effective alternative to traditional divorce methods. However, it's essential to ensure that your divorce is uncontested and that you understand your local court's requirements before proceeding. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.